One local expert is reporting an increase in nosebleed cases. In this evening's health report, Jamaica Pullen examines this medical condition.
The health report is brought to you. Epistaxis, more commonly known as nosebleed, happens when the tiny blood vessels inside the nostrils break or burst.
Some of these nosebleeds are due to the inflammation that people get in the nose associated with just environmental allergens, dust, smoke, different things that they're exposed to. So they blow the nose a lot, they're sneezing a lot, they're rubbing the nose gets dry and they're picking the nose, and so they get nosebleeds from that. We also have been seeing quite a few patients who actually have tumors in the nose, and this is the first way that it presents. And some of these patients have actually ignored it for so long that by the time they get to us, these tumors are advanced.
About 60% of Jamaicans will have a nosebleed at some point in their lives. Around 5% of these cases are serious enough to need medical treatment. Ear, nose and throat surgeon Dr. Merton Smith says he's now seeing more people with nosebleeds, at least 3 weekly. Most nosebleeds are not dangerous, but some can cause problems like heavy bleeding, trouble breathing, or maybe a sign of a more serious issue like a tumor in the nose. Persons should see a medical doctor if it happens often.
Our main aim is to find the bleeding site, and then we can do something called cauterization to stop the bleeding. If we can't find it, then we may put nasal packs or dressings inside the nose in order to help to stop the bleeding. And then if that doesn't work, then we may need to do surgery to tie the vessels that send blood supply to the nose.
Here's what you should do and what to avoid during a nosebleed.
Compress the front part of your nose like that. And what you're really doing is squeezing that septal area that we described where most nosebleeds arise from. And you have to squeeze that area for up to 15 minutes, and then you can release to see if that has been adequate to stop the bleeding. If the bleeding continues, then we recommend that you seek medical attention. A common mistake that patients make as well is that when they have nosebleeds, they tilt their head back. We recommend that you tilt your head forwards while you're doing that. And you can also put an ice pack on your forehead right here, which helps to cause the blood vessels to actually constrict and slow the bleeding.
With your health report, I'm Jamaica Pullen wishing you good health. The health report is brought to you by